Oh. Chip rip. You hear the crickets on the beat? Rottweiler, you crazy. Okay, good evening everyone, and welcome to the track that you probably downloaded from your PC or your Mac. Yes, I'm the main topic in the barbershop chat. Now you can call me Chip, or you can call me Crack. I'm in the comfy condo with every one of your ladies. Now say hi, girls. Shh. Okay, how about some silence? Let's see if I can focus while these girlies tickle my privates. Yes, baby, I'm the ripper. Baby, I'm a winner. Thick girls are freaks, but she says she's a beginner. I put you on a diet if you're trying to get thinner. Babies for breakfast, babies for dinner. I grip the damn grain till my hand gets splinters. I control the ball before the snap just like the centers. But this ain't football, cause if it was, then your bitch would be the wide receiver crawling on the rug, and I would be the quarterback telling her to go long, and she would catch the touchdown pass above her thumb. Something must be wrong. What is going on? Everybody's t-shirts are still too damn long. Yeah, that was cool a couple years ago, but now it's different. I don't pay for the jeans, I just pay true religion. And of course the man on my shirt's riding a horse, and I wear so much DC they should endorse. Live life denim, I live life in them. Wear so much live mechanic, people ask that I invent them. People tend to forget where I'm from here and there, cause I'm on Saks Fifth Avenue more than I'm on the Claire. And if you owe me $1, you on death row. That 45 hurt to swallow like strep throat. Fuck a lady, get the money, sip the liquor. Cause bitches ain't shit, Mother Nature was a stripper. Now watch me catch the beat, catch the beat, catch the beat, catch the beat. Now watch me catch the beat, catch the beat, catch the beat, catch the beat. Now watch me catch the beat, catch the beat, catch the beat, catch the beat. Now watch me catch the beat, catch the beat, catch the beat. Okay, pimp, I get my limp on. What the hell is Chip on? In a 5'5", the same color as my skin tone. Big balls, dick long. Pants was 1,000. PRPS, baby girl, I'll be styling. That nigga be wildin'. Trendsetter hoe. That means if you got it on, then I don't. That means if you doing that, then I don't. If you niggas is buying out the bar, then I won't. I'll just take them hoes that you had to my crib, give them Tanqueray to sip, then sit back and watch them strip, then sit back and get my dick sucked. Get my dick sucked. Hoes will do anything for a nigga with big bucks, and we got them big bucks, that's a no-brainer. My cuddy got the top drop, I'm driving a no-brainer. Then I upgrade, we don't test drive it. I'm in the sky cracking jokes with the pilot. I'm on the dolo, catch me in that polo. You fuck with my money, I'm in your ass, no homo. I'll be in the photo, counting that for show dough. I don't do promo, cause promo means no dough. Hop on the train, let's get wicked. I'm the train conductor, I hope you have a ticket. Girls want to kick it, but I just want to stick it. I should put a counter on my balls like skip it. I got a Ruger and I'm not afraid to shoot it. What the fuck is that smell? Oh yeah, I pooed it. My stomach is bubbling, I have to take a shit. Where's the nearest toilet or corny rapper to shit on? Get money, get going. Used to get picked on. Now all the hoes watch me like a sitcom. Slab in this bitch, don't get punched and kicked on. Nobody is on the level Chip's on. Now watch me catch the beat, catch the beat, catch the beat, catch the beat. Now watch me catch the beat, catch the beat, catch the beat, catch the beat. Now watch me catch the beat, catch the beat,